Most visitors explore Tokyo by train, but today we are doing something a little different. We are taking a local bus from Shinjuku to Nakano and seeing the city from street level. Hi everyone, I'm Nobuko, and welcome back to the channel. Nakano is a popular neighborhood known for its shopping streets, local atmosphere, and anime culture. It's only a few kilometers from Shinjuku, but instead of taking the train, we are going to travel there by bus and see what Tokyo looks like along the way. Let's get on board. Unlike many Japanese buses, Tokyo City buses usually have a flat fare. Just get on through the front door and pay when you board. Today, the fare is 230 yen. You can use cash and IC cards. We are now leaving the busy streets around Shinjuku Station. If you visited Shinjuku before, this area may look a little different now. The station's west side is currently being redeveloped. Before the redevelopment, there used to be a large bus terminal here. Many local buses departed from this area. This area has changed a lot in recent years. There used to be a department store here called the Department Store. When I was a child, I often stopped there with my mother on the way to visit my grandmother. We would have spaghetti in the restaurant upstairs. The building is gone now, but the memories are still with me. This area of West Shinjuku is home to many hotels. Some of them are within walking distance of the station, but others can be surprisingly far away. If you are staying here, it's worth checking whether your hotel offers a shuttle bus from Shinjuku Station. Some hotels do, and it can make your arrival much easier, especially if you are carrying luggage. On our left is the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. If you are looking for a free view of Tokyo, this is one of the best places to visit. There are observation decks near the top of the building, and admission is free. It's a great budget-friendly alternative to paid observation decks. The observation decks aren't as high as Tokyo Skytree, but the views are still excellent. One reason is that Shinjuku itself sits on higher ground than many parts of Tokyo. So, even from a lower observation deck, you can still see surprisingly far on a clear day. On very clear days, you can even see Mount Fuji. This is Shinjuku Central Park. When I was younger, this park felt very different from how it looks today. It was much less developed, and I don't remember many people spending time here. These days, it's much more attractive and popular. We left the skyscrapers of Shinjuku only a few minutes ago, but now the scenery looks completely different. This is one thing I like about Tokyo. The city can change dramatically within just a few blocks. Many residential streets in Tokyo are surprisingly narrow. Some are so narrow that only one car passes at a time. It's hard to believe we are still so close to Shinjuku. Shinjuku Station is recognized by Guinness World Records as the busiest railway station in the world. Yet only about 10 minutes away by bus, the atmosphere is completely different. This is what an ordinary Tokyo neighborhood looks like. You may have noticed all the overhead power lines. Visitors often ask why there are so many in Japan. One reason is that Japan experiences frequent earthquakes. Overhead lines can sometimes be repaired more quickly after the disaster than underground cables. One thing you'll notice in Tokyo is how often road work is taking place. The city is constantly changing, and there always seems to be another building project underway. This bus provides English announcements, which is helpful for visitors. However, they can sometimes be difficult to hear, especially when the bus is crowded or the road is noisy. If you are traveling in Tokyo, I recommend using Google Maps as well. We are now entering the Nakano area. However, we are still a little way from Nakano Station itself. Nakano may look compact on a map, but some parts of the neighborhood are further from the station than you might expect. I once came to this area for a job interview. I remember thinking, wow, this is farther from the station than I expected. And here we are at Nakano. Just a short bus ride from Shinjuku, but the atmosphere feels completely different. If you're interested in anime, manga collectibles, or simply exploring a more local side of Tokyo, Nakano is definitely worth the visit. Here's one of Nakano's most popular shopping streets. If you keep walking, you'll eventually reach Nakano Broadway. Thank you for joining me on this bus ride from Shinjuku to Nakano. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. またね